The trial in the wrongful death case of Tony Timpa. Fox 4's Sean Rabb joins us with more. Sean.
It was a surprise to everybody in the courtroom, Clarice. Federal Judge David Godbey sent all the observers and the reporters to another floor in the federal building, then met privately with the attorneys for both sides. We waited about 15 minutes. A clerk came down and told us the proceedings would not go forward today.
I don't think that's normal for a federal judge to call a jury panel and then for some reason to decide not to use it.
But that is what U.S. District Judge David Godbey abruptly did Monday morning, issuing a continuance in a case that's taken 7 years to get to trial.
If the judge was concerned about pretrial publicity, then he may be continuing the case to see if that publicity moderates, so he doesn't have to worry about the effect of the publicity on the jury panel, the potential jurors.
Tony Timpa died in police custody August 16, 2016. He called 911 for help in a mental health crisis, off his meds, afraid he might harm himself or others. According to the medical examiner, he had cocaine in his system. Timpa had been handcuffed by security guards before police arrived. Officers kept Timpa in the prone position nearly 14 minutes, one officer with a knee in his back. He died with paramedics working on him. 4 officers were indicted by a Dallas County grand jury, the district attorney dismissing the charges. There had been a protracted legal battle over whether the officers had qualified immunity, preventing them from civil liability for his death. The medical examiner ruled his death sudden cardiac arrest from the combination of cocaine and stress on his body from the restraint police placed him in. There were recent reports revisiting the case leading up to the scheduled jury selection.
My suspicion is that Judge Godbey is worried about pretrial publicity, and he doesn't want the parties, counsel, or any other members commenting publicly on the case. So, you know, his job is to try to ensure that both sides get a fair trial, and the decision is based not on what may be out in the public realm, in the media, but rather on what occurs in the courtroom, the evidence and the argument of counsel.
So the trial's been moved forward until at least September, but if Judge Godbey is concerned about pretrial publicity and its impact on potential jurors, he could impose some type of gag order that would prevent everybody from talking anymore about the Tony Timpa case.